This is SWMT data collection application, and this is the interface of SWMT data collection application. Through this mobile app, you can collect consumer meter reading as well as the bulk water meter reading of deep tube wells, and as well as the EPIP readings of injection points if it is needed. So this is the interface, and it has 4 tabs. This is the home tab. This is the recorded reading tabs. You can see all the recorded readings here. I will show this in a bit later. And this is the upload tabs. You can upload the recorded readings through this tab, and this one is the setting tab. So at first, to use the app, you have to download some data from the server, and this data mainly contains the keys of the databases. These keys are important to record and store data in the server. So you can download the consumer. This button shows the storage status. So you can see I have already the data of DMA 906 in storage, and I do not have any data in my storage for the other features, so I can let me delete it, and this is the delete option. Say I want to record the readings for, say, DMA 1008, so I can put DMA 1008 and I can hit the get data. So from the server, data will be stored in my mobile phone, and then I can see the status of the data. And say for DMA chamber information, I want to get the DMA chamber information for DMA 510. I hit data, I hit the get data button, and the data is stored in my mobile. And if I want to delete the data from my mobile storage, I can hit the delete button, and the chamber information is deleted. You now see the data in storage for DMA is showing undefined. Let me again get the data, and the data in storage for DMA 510. Okay. Then we have to go to the home tab and hit the refresh once, and say for deep tube well, we selected DMA 1008, and all the deep tube wells of DMA 1008 are listed here. Say we want to take the readings for this tube well, and as we select the location of this tube well on this one, we already have the ID from our server as well as the DMA number and the meter number of that production tube well. And now we pick up the bill year. Bill year is 2023, say, and the reading month is May. After you select the bill year and bill month, you see the previous reading field A has been automatically filled up, and now you need to take the present reading. So if by any chance if you want to submit the data without taking the present reading, it will give you an warning that bill year, bill month, and PTW reading can't be empty. So you have to take the present reading. Say the present reading is on 65. Let's keep it simple for demonstration purposes. Then if there is any remarks, you can write it, and if not, it can be empty, no problem. Then I will submit the PTW reading and record is stored. Say I want to do this for another production tube well. Say for this production tube well, I change the bill month again, say for the month of May, and this is the reading for the month of May. Say I want to take the reading. Say the reading is okay. I can submit the reading and record is stored, and I can see the submitted readings that here that I have taken 2 readings. And if I need to edit any reading, that can be done. I can hit the edit button. Fields then get activated, and say I need to change any reading. Say it is say 5, then I can save it, and the reading is saved. And say I do not need these readings, I can want to delete that, I can delete that also. And now if I want to upload this reading to the server, it is said that for DeepTable there is on reading, and I can hit the upload button, but I am not going to do that. Let me do that for a fake DMA, which currently don't have any data with it. DMA 901. Sorry, the storage for DMA 901. Okay, so I go to DeepTable reading. There are 3 DeepTable in DMA 901. So take on, then put the bill here to 2023. Say the reading month is June, and the month is June, or reading month is say July, and reading is 100. Okay, and we submit the DW reading. It could be stored. We take another one. Say we also want to do this for the DMA chamber, DMA 901. Actually, there is no DMA chamber in DMA 901. That's why it is showing that no data found. Okay, no problem. We can take another reading for the DeepTable. So for this DeepTable, and the reading is 200. We submit it. Then refresh once. You can see the data here. So as this is a real DeepTable, I do not want to upload it. So we have 2 data, and in the upload tab I can see that there are 2 readings here. So to upload these readings to the main server, all I have to do is to hit that upload button. So PTDB readings successfully uploaded, and these readings are stored in the server. And from there we can also see that readings in a different dashboard and in the web maps as well. So let me show you that. So this is the dashboard for viewing the connected field readings. Through this dashboard, you can see the consumer meter readings as well as the DeepTable and the DMA chamber readings and the injection point readings also. So this tab is for viewing the DeepTable readings. You can filter different DMAs here. As I collected 2 readings for DMA 901, I will write DMA 901 here, and after that I will press the filter button. So I can see the 2 readings that I have taken earlier. One is 100 and another one is 200 for 2 different production tables. So if we want to edit or delete, we can also do that from here. So the basic idea is that the data collectors from the field will collect the field data, and after they submit the data, it will come to the server, and this is a dashboard which is directly connected with the server. And through this dashboard, the supervisor or the DMA manager can view the data collected by the field people, and if needed, they can edit the data as well as they can delete the data. So if say this reading is not 100 but it should be 150, so in order to make that 150, I have to click on the edit button. A different tab will open with all the data, and there I can change it to 150, and I can hit the update data, and it is giving that data updated successfully. If I filter again, I will see that the data has been automatically updated to 150, and it is also showing the time when I recorded this data and the time when I make some changes in the data. And these data are also available to be viewed on the web maps. So to see this data on the web Just go to the web interface and filter DMA 901. This is DMA 901, and then in the deep table tab, I took two readings for this. One is for this table and another one is for this table. So let's see first for this table, and you see the reading is 150 that we just modified 150, and another one was 200 for this one. So the reading is 200 here. So the main idea is that after the field people upload the data is available in a different dashboard as well as also in the web map. And later this data will be used to calculate non-revenue water automatically. I'll show that process in another video. Now, as these two data are fake, I need to delete that. In order to delete that data, you have to just hit the delete button, and it will give you a warning that are you sure you want to delete this record. You press the OK button and the data is deleted. So now this data is not available, that data has been deleted. And if we want to do the same for this reading, actually I will do the same for this reading, as it's a fake reading, not a real one. I'll hit the delete button and this data has been deleted. So this is the process in short. Okay, thank you for your time and to watch the video. Have a good day.